again, a new project for today. And I said to myself, maybe it's a good idea to take a look at this Behringer PMP3000. There's this model here. It's a powered mixer with they are saying it's 600 and 600 watts out. That I suppose it's musical power, not RMS. And I don't have the right tools to have a proper power testing, but I'm pretty sure it's running like 250, 300 watts on 4 ohms, and maybe 200 and 250 watts and with 8 ohm. So what I have to say, it's pretty powerful, and it's nice because it's a very versatile tool. It's easy, like 12 kilos or something. And what I want to do today is to clean it up a little bit, to take a look inside, and maybe to check the thermal paste, to check the fan. So let's start dismantle this. It's very easy. We have 1, 2, 3 screws here. You take the first on the left, the middle here, and the last on the right. So let's take this off. Oh, not this one. This one goes back. It's this one. This one goes back, yeah. 3 screws here. I think I have to take this also. 1, 2, 3. And we have another 6 here. Okay, so let's have these ones. Oh, sorry. Well, it's a good idea. It's a good idea to have a magnet around, so then you can have all the screws together. And another 6 here. Okay, there we are. Now it's open. And how can we take this out? Okay, so we have a connector over there. You see it. It's still untouched. Okay, this is off. And you see the mixer here, it's in between this metal plate, so it keeps the mechanical way, and also it's a shield. It's a magnetic shield. You know, metal, it's always a shield. We got a piece of wire here, and that's for sure the power source. We have the big capacitors, 2200 microfarads to 200 volts. I think it's a good idea to have this double. There's plenty of place here for do that. And here are the capacitors for the power mains. So this is right, there's 4 of them. Okay, so here we have the power amplifiers. That's the power amplifiers here. And then I can take this connector off, and we have the mixer section away. We'll take a look at this later. For now, let's focus on this. So, what we got here? Like I said, we had the power supply. It's a switching power supply, SMPS or chopper, call it how you like. We have 2 big capacitors here, 200 volts each of them. I think these are in series. That's for the entrance. And we have 2 big resistors here, power resistors, before the rectifier and the relay. And I think these are for soft on. This is the main power to the amplifiers, to the Class D amplifiers. So I can check. Here is the ground, and here we have minus 41, 42 volts, 82. Sorry. So we have plus 81, and I think this is the power. (88 to 89 volts). I'm not sure what's happening in here. What's here? And I suppose in here there are some filters for sure. Well, I'm curious. I have to take it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Okay, let's see. Lots of screws. My goodness. I'm really happy. It's looking like nobody ever touched this before. So this is good. Okay. You see? Exactly like I said. But we have another transformer here. What is this for? It's funny. Is this a transformer? Now I believe this is another filter. A shock. Yeah, for sure. That's a shock. So when you turn this on, then everything goes through these filters, and afterwards it's going to this shock, and then to these resistors, and it's doing all that soft power on. This is nice. What I want to do now is to take out the fan and check it out. And we have a connector down here. Okay, so let's clean the fan. As you may see, it's pretty dirty and full of dust. First of all, let's get rid of this plastic something here. Okay. So this is a kind of gasket. We have to use it back later. Let's take all this dust away. And we have to take this out first. And feel like it's some oil here, and this is nice. Oh yeah, it does oil. And now I have to take out this plastic or rubber something. Yes, it's pretty okay. Yes, here we go. The washer is out. Now I can take the blades out. Nice. Now I can clean them properly. Now, let me have a drop of oil. It's pretty liquid but fat in the same time. So I'm using this for years and it's very, very good. Okay, here is okay. Another drop of oil in here. Well, I'm afraid it's already too much, but this is good. Because it's plenty place to go. And then we have to put this washer back and to keep the fan in place. Let's put it back in place. Okay, so now I fixed another problem, the single problem I had with this mixer. One of the LEDs, you see here, there are a couple of LEDs. The first one, this one from PFL, it's a peak indicator. It's a peak light, I may say. It was red all the time, so it was lighting all the time. So luckily I found the schematic, and that LED, it's right here, is this one. That's the red one. What I found out, this transistor here was in short. That's funny. I don't know how, because you can see it was never ever touched. So it's happening. And what I have done, you see there, I just replaced the transistor. It's a very usual NPN transistor. So everything is done. The new capacitor, it's in place. Everything is working as it should. I clean it up a little bit. This kind of spray for potentiometers all around, and also for these plugs. And now it's time to put all the things back together. Of course, this one had been cleaned very nice and it's looking like new. And also it's a good idea to have some grease. I use this kind of grease and to put it in the potentiometers, and it makes everything run smooth here, and also keeps the oxidation away. Okay, so everything is back in place, all the screws together, and it's looking like new. I love it. And let's turn it on. So let me have a little test now. The loudspeakers, just a small one for now, it's in place. Everything is okay. I'm really glad I did that, because now it's ready for a new season. Some final words about, well, it's not let me say, a high-tech or super professional mixer, power mixer. For this money, you can do a really nice job with it. If you also have some extra help, like I have some power amplifiers in class AB and some subwoofers, and this one is only for the tops, 12-inch and tweeters and all the other stuffs. I think it's a pretty decent mixer, and for the money, like I said, it's absolutely okay. Thank you for now. Hope to see you soon and be safe. Thank you.